Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy, and please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button for me. I have realized that a lot of people are watching my videos without subscribing, so please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. Okay, it won't cost a thing, so hit the subscribe button. So today I'll be talking about how to create a logo using AI. So if you're a new brand or a brand and you are thinking of creating a logo, then this video is for you. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to create a logo for yourself with no experience. Yeah. So all that you have to do is just get your smartphone, take your smartphone, or use your laptop or whatever you want to use. You must have an internet connection. So just open your browser and visit the website spacelogo.ai. Spacelogo.ai. Yeah. So this is the homepage. Then you select the Make for Free tab. You realize the blue tab, Make for Free. Type in, after you're done with that, the next tab, you must type in your company or your brand name. So my brand name is Phantom Agency. Advertising agency, okay. So that's my slogan. Then you select the next. Then you select the category of your brand. So with that, let me go in for an agency. So you must select the category of your brand. Okay. Then you select the colors that you want. So maybe you want a cool colors, warm colors, it depends. So select the colors that you want. I want warm colors. Yeah, with this you'll be given a variety of logos to choose from. So depending on your preference, choose the logo that you want. There are a lot of logos in here you can choose from. Yeah, make sure you select the proper one. So let me select the second one. Yeah, so that's it. So you can see, that's it. I've been given a variety of logos to choose from. And with this, yeah, you're realizing here, they have also given me a mockups. There's a t-shirts, business card, caps. You can download it. You can download this for free. Yeah, so that's it. You just have to export it, then save it. So as I said, you can now create a logo with ease. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.